Filter cleaning should form part of your regular hot tub cleaning routine. This 500 ml Aquasparkle Instant Filter Cleaner will quickly remove debris, oils, body fats and dirt using a unique no-soak formula to minimize downtime of your hot tub. Use on a fortnightly basis, or more frequently if the hot tub or pool sees heavy use. Important: always wear protective gloves and eye protection when applying this product. Avoid use on windy days. Remove filters from filter compartment. Rinse filters with fresh water, using a hose pipe to remove loose matter. Thoroughly spray filter with Aquasparkle Instant Filter Cleaner, taking care to penetrate filter veins with product. Leave filters to stand for 15 minutes. Rinse filter cartridge thoroughly with fresh water from hose pipe. Foaming may occur, so ensure filter is completely cleaned. Heavily soiled filters may require a second application. Once filters have been thoroughly cleaned and rinsed, they can be returned to the filter compartment of your hot tub. We are Pool and Spa Center and have led the hot tub and pool market since 2003.